Hello everyone. In yesterday lecture, we have already discussed about the characteristics of SCR. I am Priyanka Rajput from SIRT Bhopal EH department. Today we continue of our previous lecture. In previous lecture, we have discussed about its reverse blocking mode as well as its forward blocking mode. Today we will start with the forward conduction mode. Let now see forward conduction mode. In this mode, as we have already discussed, in forward blocking modes, four layer P and PN are connected with the forward bias, means anode is connected with the positive and cathode is connected with the negative. That is, it's a bias of forward bias. But in the blocking mode, it is in a blocking mode, its conduction is not proper, not start the conducting mode. So now in this mode, we will shift from forward blocking mode to forward conduction mode. So how we will do this? See here, in forward conduction mode, junction J1, J2 and J3, we know. Junction J1 is a forward bias, junction J3 is forward bias, but junction J2 is reverse bias. Means we have required this depletion layer want to be a vanish. How we can do this? So with the help of this gate terminal, means in the forward conduction mode, here thyristor conduct current from anode to cathode, means anode to cathode with a very small voltage drop across it. So the thyristor can be brought from forward blocking mode to forward conduction mode. So how we can do this? By exceeding the forward breakover voltage or by applying a gate pulse between gate and cathode. So now during forward conduction mode of operation of thyristor is in on state and behave like a closed switch. Voltage drop is of the order of 1 to 2 millivolts. This small voltage drop is due to ohmic drop across the whole layer of the device. So in this mode, forward conduction mode, we are connecting here anode with a gate terminal with the cathode with the help of extra supply. This supply may be DC voltage, AC voltage or pulse form. So whenever we are connecting this terminal, so extra over voltage or current provided from this gate terminal. So with the help of this gate current, we can vanish the junction of J2 depletion layer. So in this forward bias modes, conduction will be proper, current will be proper conducted. So we can see here characteristics diagram of the reverse blocking mode, forward blocking mode, as well as forward conduction mode. So firstly, we can see here, this one is a anode current, horizontal lines can be shown, anode voltage. So firstly, we will talk about the reverse blocking mode. We have already discussed in the reverse blocking mode, only flow small leakage current. So you can see here we are made small leakage current. This line show small leakage current for reverse leakage current. So this mode of operation is shown reverse blocking modes and a point of here reverse breakdown voltage. After that current gradually increases. So this operation is shown forward reverse blocking modes. Now next mode is a reverse blocking modes. So in a forward blocking modes, so in a forward blocking mode, anode is connected with positive and cathode is connected with negative. That time it's also a current is blocking form. So means here also only flow leakage current, means forward leakage current. So after that you can see here this mode of operation is shows forward blocking mode. M point is a break over voltage, means a voltage after that thyristor will be conducted, means point are shifted from M to N points, and at the N points conduction will be started, means current will be flow easily. This line of N is show forward conduction modes. Here a point of this, it is called latching current. Latching current is those minimum anode current after attained it. current will, SCR will be operated, or SCR will be conducted. And second point is holding current. Holding current are those minimum value of anode. After below this value, SCR will be off, in a off condition, means after this value, after holding value, SCR will be in a off state. So this is a diagram of VI characteristics of SCR. So in the last, we have concluded that in a forward blocking mode, in a reverse blocking mode, in a forward conduction modes, these three types of operating modes of SCR characteristics. So it's a diagram of characteristics of SCR. Thank you everyone.